Hello and welcome again. My name is Amir, and in this video we're continuing our journey in the Codewars website. We're still in 5 and let's go and find another puzzle to solve. So we have solved this one, we have solved this one, let's go to this one. In this example you have to validate if a user input string is alphanumeric. So alphanumeric is basically letters and then numbers from 0 to 9. The given string is not empty, so you don't have to check that. Okay, that's fine. The string has the following conditions to be alphanumeric: at least one character. This is not a valid. Okay, allowed characters are uppercase, lowercase, Latin letters, and digits from 0 to 9. No white space or underscore. Okay, so let's go and solve it. You can pause the video here and try to solve it by yourself. Otherwise, you can continue watching how I do it. Let's go here, grab this part, come here. This is from the last video. I will remove this. I would say this is a const, and like this. This is, let's say, s, and something like this. Okay, so we need to check the string against A to Z, A to Z, and 0 to 9. It should include only these. So I can say return some regex is going to be tested against the S. So I can put an I here to cover both of these cases. And I can say that check if it is A to Z or A to Z in lowercase, doesn't matter. And then 0 to 9 to cover these two parts. And then I could say that it should begin with this one, end, like this. So let's go and test. I think I would need to have plus here to say that it's at least one, but not here, but here. At least one character should be here. So let me check. If I say log alphanumeric of, let's say, ABC, this is true and this is false. Okay, but I remove the plus, this still remains false. I cannot put star here because star would say 0 or more and plus would say 1 or more. So something like this should be okay. As it's a one-liner, I don't need return sentence, and this should be it. Let's go and check here. Yep, it was very fast, but at the same time very convenient and easy. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.